This is how it really looks like. Hola amigos, I'm Ulises and welcome back. This is Plant-Based Masterpiece and right now let's make some shawarma wraps. If you have pita bread, this is gonna be delicious. You can use it. Pita bread, I recommend you pita bread. And also if you don't have tortillas, wrap, pita bread, you can make one bowl. I mean, it's not a big deal. For my wrap, what I'm gonna use easy and quickly. Those are small. But anyway, so and also the wraps come with some chickpeas, fresh chickpeas, and actually I found a little of this extra cauliflower. It's getting old, so I try to pick it as much as I can, but anyway, I'm gonna add it to my shawarma wraps. Okay, for my mix, quickly, coriander, paprika, smoked paprika, but you can use also regular paprika. It's optional. Turmeric. Oh my god, this is not turmeric, it's ginger. Okay, but inside is turmeric. What else? Ginger, cinnamon, and cumin. Garlic powder. What is this? Cayenne. Salt, black pepper. That's it. Also for my wrap, I'm gonna add a couple greens. Little fresh lettuce. Look at this fresh lettuce. I mean, I'm not talking about those kind of leaves. I'm talking about the middle of the center. Looks pretty and it's enough for my wraps. Oh, fresh onion. Look at this. Fresh onion. Fresh onion, you can use any other kind of onions, and also pickled onions. I recommend you pickled onions also. A little of spicy jalapeno, Persian cucumber, couple cherry tomatoes, and that's it. Actually, I'm gonna add it a little couple leaves of ginger into my wraps. It is fresh. This is fresh. Oh my god, smells so good. I mean, so for my tzatziki sauce, plain yogurt, dill, lemon juice, a little of cucumber, salt, black pepper, and ginger. A little bit of ginger. So welcome, and I hope you stay until the end of this video. Let's do it. So then amigos, I'm gonna place aside the tortillas, and also in one bowl add your chickpeas. So amigos, try to remove but don't get the aquafaba. You know that the aquafaba is the water from the garbanzo, but something like 1 cup of garbanzo bean. Amigos, 1 table of coriander, one table of paprika, a little of olive oil. It's optional. 1 teaspoon, a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder. Also same amount with cumin. Also a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic granule, and also the same amount with cayenne. Just toast it very well. Little pinch of salt and black pepper. Oops. So amigos, once it's toasted, just place in your roaster or oven. So 350 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's time to roast them. something between 20 to 30 minutes. So I'll be back. So amigos, for my wrap, I'm gonna cut some veggies. Couple cherry tomatoes then. And also jalapeno. Some Persian cucumber. No! Okay, it's good. It's good for my wraps. And some lettuce. Also, there is another piece good. Wow. So just share a little bit of lettuce. Good. That's good. I'm missing my onions. Should I have to cut this or the small one? I'm gonna use the small one. Wow. Wow. Let me place in my bowl. So I have all greens right here. So right now it's time to make our tzatziki sauce. Deal. So a quarter of cup of plain yogurt, fresh dill, something like 1 teaspoon. Actually, I'm gonna charge it a little bit more than that teaspoon. Why not? A pinch of salt, also 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, something like a pinch or 1/8 of teaspoon of ginger, a little bit more. So, and cucumber. Wow, 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 wow. It's too water. So amigos, just remove the water as much as you can. Now mix it. Mix it. Also a little of salt and just mix it. Just mix it all together. All together, all together. Yogurt, lemon, sea salt, ginger, fresh dill, cheddar, cucumber. Nice. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I'm gonna adjust my seasoning and a little bit more of cucumber. So amigos, I'm removing the water of the cucumber because I don't want to make it so watery, you know. But all is optional. Depends how do you want your tzatziki, your texture. But looks good. And so let's wait until the chickpeas are ready. So what I'm going to do, basically, those chickpeas are almost done. So right now I'm gonna heat it up my tortillas. Yes, let's warm it up. So amigos, basically I'm gonna add a little extra delicious hummus. Yes, I already found it. I didn't know how I was forgetting. I mean, at the middle of this video, I already remember why I don't add a little extra hummus. So I have a little extra hummus right there, but if you know how to make one hummus, I can show you how to make it. It's easy. So amigos, right here my shawarma chickpeas. If you want them more roasted, you can leave it more. Smells so good. The aroma is amazing. Bad news. Bad news. I almost burned it. But it's good. It's good. It's good. So, amigos, once you have your tortilla warm up, right now it's time to make it. Right now it's time to make it. A little hummus on the bottom. And be nice. Add a little bit more hummus. Spread a little bit with love. Oh. Lettuce, some greens, onions, more tomatoes, and today is the time. Right now it's the perfect time. Wow! Wow! Nice. So some tzatziki sauce. Amigos, is this optional? Mint leaves. Wow, fresh mint leaves. All the time on my veggies I do this. Salt and black pepper. If you want, you can eat it on this way. But also, I won't do something simple. Órale, cabrón. Amigos, just tie your cord. Ta-da! Amigos, it's very easy, very simple. I hope you get this idea how to make shawarma wraps. With the tzatziki sauce. It's amazing. I hope you like this video, and if you like, please do it. Do it. This is how it really looks like. Hummus, shawarma chickpeas, greens, tzatziki, one wrap, and eat it. Eat it, and love. So, amigos, see you soon, and thank you for staying until this moment, until this part of this video. See you soon. Peace and love to your shawarma wraps. Shawarma wrap.